Hello, writers. Today, I want you to notice that this unit that we're working on is called Information Writing for a reason. It is filled entirely of information. The book that you will be working on, that you're making, is a lot like a brick wall, only the bricks are pieces of information. You write information books by taking those chunks of information, your bricks, and then you lay those pieces of information alongside each other. Today I want you to think about what you've noticed in other information books that you've read. You notice that the books have descriptions, they have lists, sometimes with bullets, and they have vocabulary words. Sometimes those are found at the bottom, sometimes those are found in the glossary, and sometimes they're found in both. So you may be thinking today about some of those expert words that you're going to include in your book, your nonfiction book. As you begin today, the beginning of your book should explain a little bit about what the reader will read in the whole book, what the whole book will be about. You'll say a few sentences about each part of your table of contents. You'll want to sound like an expert when you write. You will even use some fancy expert words in your writing. Remember to explain what those words mean. So today, writers, I want you to think about what an information book looks like, what it will look like for your reader, and I want you to try to write at least one page. I would suggest that you look at your table of contents first and choose one of those chapters that you know a lot about. Find a page in your writer's notebook and begin writing everything you know about that. If you're ready to go on to the next page, do so. If not, I would recommend that you leave the next page blank so that you can add pieces of information that you find when you do your research. So writers, I'd like you to join me now in our meeting area while we review what a nonfiction book looks like, what it has in it, and then you'll get started on your book. So writers, join me.